Every morning, millions of people wake up feeling groggy, sluggish, or just not fully energized. Sometimes your hands and feet feel cold, or simple movements leave you short of breath. These subtle signs often point to a simple truth. Your circulation isn't as strong as it could be. Blood flow is more than just a number on a health chart, it's the foundation of your entire body's vitality. Every cell relies on the oxygen and nutrients carried by your bloodstream. When circulation is slow or impaired, your energy drops, your muscles tire faster, and your organs don't receive the nutrients they need. Over time, poor blood flow can contribute to high blood pressure, arterial stiffness, and even heart disease. But here's the exciting part. You don't have to rely solely on medications or supplements to support your circulation. Nature has already provided us with simple, accessible ingredients that, when combined thoughtfully, can help relax your arteries, improve blood flow, and support heart health. And the best part? You can start every morning with a drink that's easy to prepare, delicious, and scientifically proven to help your arteries stay flexible and responsive. This drink combines three powerhouse ingredients: lemon, honey, and fresh ginger. Each plays a unique role in enhancing circulation and promoting nitric oxide, the molecule your blood vessels need to stay relaxed and healthy. Nitric oxide is like a natural traffic controller for your arteries. It signals them to expand and relax, reducing resistance, lowering blood pressure, and improving oxygen delivery to tissues throughout your body. Without enough nitric oxide, arteries stiffen, circulation slows, and the heart has to work harder, increasing long-term cardiovascular risk. Let's look at each ingredient closely. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects arterial walls from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also plays a role in nitric oxide synthesis, helping your vessels stay flexible and responsive. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogale. These compounds reduce inflammation in blood vessels, stimulate circulation, and further promote nitric oxide production, enhancing blood flow throughout the body. Honey isn't just a natural sweetener. It contains antioxidants that protect your arteries from oxidative stress and help smooth blood flow, complementing the effects of lemon and ginger. When these three ingredients are combined in the right proportions, they create a synergistic effect. The lemon supports nitric oxide, ginger stimulates circulation and reduces inflammation, and honey protects your vessels. Together, they provide a gentle yet effective boost to your vascular system, especially when consumed consistently as a morning ritual. This isn't a miracle cure, and it won't replace medications or other treatments prescribed by your doctor. The benefits are gradual and cumulative. Small daily doses add up over time to support artery flexibility, improve oxygen delivery, and enhance overall circulation. In this video, we'll explore the science behind lemon, honey, and ginger, and how each supports nitric oxide production, how this drink improves arteries and blood flow, common myths and mistakes to avoid, a practical, easy-to-follow morning recipe with recommended dosage. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this simple drink works, how it helps your arteries, and how to include it safely in your daily routine for maximum benefits. If you're ready to give your heart and circulation the support they deserve, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to MediMint and hit the like button. Every small step toward informed, evidence-based nutrition helps you build a healthier, stronger heart, one sip at a time. Next, we'll dive into the science behind lemon, honey, and ginger and see how each ingredient works to naturally improve nitric oxide levels and support smooth, efficient blood flow. The science behind lemon, honey, and ginger. Let's take a closer look at the three powerhouse ingredients in this morning drink: lemon, honey, and fresh ginger, and understand exactly how they support your circulation and heart health. Each ingredient has unique properties, but together, they create a synergistic effect that gently boosts nitric oxide, relaxes arteries, and improves blood flow. 1. Lemon, vitamin C, and nitric oxide support. Lemon is not just a refreshing citrus. It's a potent source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for vascular health. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage the delicate lining of your arteries known as the endothelium. A healthy endothelium is crucial because it regulates blood vessel dilation, controls blood pressure, and maintains smooth, efficient blood flow. Vitamin C also plays a role in supporting nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that tells blood vessels to relax and expand. When nitric oxide levels are optimal, your arteries are flexible, resistance decreases, and your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. By combining lemon with other nitric oxide boosting ingredients, you create a natural mechanism to help your blood vessels stay open and responsive. 2. Ginger, anti-inflammatory circulation booster. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research confirms its cardiovascular benefits. It contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogaol, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is a key factor that stiffens arteries and impairs circulation. By reducing vascular inflammation, ginger allows arteries to remain more flexible and responsive. In addition, ginger helps stimulate blood flow, increasing oxygen and nutrient delivery to tissues. It also indirectly promotes nitric oxide production, enhancing vasodilation and supporting smooth circulation. This dual effect, reducing inflammation while boosting nitric oxide, makes ginger a powerful ally for maintaining arterial health. 3. Honey, antioxidant, and vascular protector. Honey might seem like a simple sweetener, but it's packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These compounds help protect your arterial walls from oxidative stress, supporting nitric oxide availability and improving endothelial function. Honey also provides gentle energy and contributes to a pleasant taste, making the drink enjoyable without needing refined sugar. Research suggests that the antioxidants in honey can reduce markers of oxidative damage in the bloodstream, which is crucial because oxidative stress is one of the main causes of arterial stiffening and high blood pressure. By combining honey with lemon and ginger, you're creating a drink that protects, stimulates, and enhances vascular function simultaneously. 4. The synergy effect. While each ingredient is beneficial on its own, the combination is more powerful. Lemon supplies vitamin C and antioxidants that protect and support nitric oxide. Ginger reduces inflammation and stimulates circulation while also promoting nitric oxide production. Honey provides additional antioxidants and smooths the effects on the endothelium. Together, these three ingredients create a natural daily mechanism to help relax arteries, improve blood flow, and support long-term cardiovascular health. This synergy is why this morning drink is so effective. It addresses multiple aspects of vascular health at once, rather than relying on a single compound. 5. Practical implications. Drinking lemon, honey, and ginger daily in the correct proportions helps your body maintain steady nitric oxide production, keeps arteries flexible, and enhances circulation. It's a gentle but powerful way to support your heart naturally. Importantly, the effects are gradual and cumulative. You won't see immediate miracles, but over time, consistent intake helps your arteries stay healthy, improves oxygen delivery to muscles and organs, and supports overall cardiovascular function. In the next section, we'll explore how this drink actually improves arteries and blood flow, including measurable effects, and why making it part of your morning routine can have long-term benefits for your heart and circulation. How it improves arteries and blood flow. Now that we understand the science behind lemon, honey, and ginger, let's see how this morning drink works inside your body to improve circulation and support arterial health. When you consume this drink, the nitrates and bioactive compounds from lemon and ginger stimulate the endothelium, the thin layer lining your blood vessels, to produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts like a signal for your arteries to relax and widen, reducing vascular resistance and allowing blood to flow more efficiently. 1. Vasodilation, widening the arteries. By relaxing smooth muscle in the arterial walls, nitric oxide increases the diameter of your blood vessels. This widening helps lower blood pressure slightly, making it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout the body. Improved blood flow ensures that muscles, organs, and even your brain receive the oxygen and nutrients they need for optimal performance. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger and honey contain antioxidants and bioactive compounds that reduce inflammation in the arteries. Chronic inflammation can damage the endothelium, stiffen vessels, and impede circulation. By calming inflammation, this drink helps maintain arterial flexibility and prevents early vascular damage. Sen. Improved oxygen delivery and circulation. The combination of nitric oxide production and anti-inflammatory action results in smoother, faster blood flow. Regular consumption can improve energy levels, reduce fatigue, and support heart health over time. Dirt. Supple yet cumulative effects. The benefits are not immediate miracles. Instead, they are gradual and cumulative. Drinking this mixture daily as part of a consistent morning routine supports long-term vascular health, making arteries more responsive and circulation more efficient. Next, we'll discuss common myths and mistakes people make when using this drink, ensuring you get the benefits safely and effectively. Common myths and mistakes. This morning drink is simple, natural, and effective, but there are some common misconceptions that can limit its benefits. Myth 1. I can skip consistency and still get results. The effects of lemon, honey, and ginger are cumulative. Nitric oxide production and vascular improvements build gradually, so skipping days reduces overall benefit. Daily consumption is key. Myth 2. I can replace medication with this drink. While this mixture supports circulation, it cannot replace prescribed medications for blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart conditions. Think of it as an ally for your arteries, not a substitute. Myth 3. More is better. Too much lemon or ginger can irritate the stomach, while excessive honey adds sugar and calories. Moderation is essential, just enough to stimulate nitric oxide without side effects. Myth 4. It must be consumed on an empty stomach to work. Drinking it on an empty stomach can be beneficial, but if it causes discomfort, consuming it shortly after breakfast is perfectly fine. The key is regular intake, not timing perfection. Myth 5. Hot water is best. Cold water is ineffective. Water temperature affects comfort, not efficacy. Warm water helps dissolve honey and blend flavors, but slightly cold water still delivers the same vascular benefits. By understanding these myths and practicing safe, consistent habits, you can maximize the circulation-boosting effects of this morning drink. Next, we'll explore how to make it correctly and the recommended dosage for daily use. How to make it correctly and recommended dosage. Making this morning drink is simple, but doing it correctly ensures you get the full circulation-boosting benefits. 1. Ingredients. A half lemon, freshly squeezed, provides vitamin C and nitrates for nitric oxide production. 1 teaspoon honey for antioxidants and gentle sweetness. 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger boosts circulation and anti-inflammatory effects. 200 milliliters warm water helps dissolve honey and blend flavors. 2. Preparation steps. Warm the water to a comfortable temperature, not boiling, to preserve ginger compounds and prevent vitamin C loss. Squeeze the lemon into the water. Add the grated ginger and let it sit for a minute to release its compounds. Stir in the honey until fully dissolved. Drink slowly, enjoying the aroma and warmth, preferably in the morning for best results. 3. Recommended dosage. 1 serving per day is sufficient. Regular, consistent consumption is more important than large quantities. Adjust ginger slightly if it's too strong, but avoid doubling honey, as excess sugar can offset benefits. 4. Practical tips. Drink on an empty stomach if comfortable, or shortly after breakfast. Pair with a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and lean protein for cumulative cardiovascular benefits. Avoid high-heat water to preserve nutrients. By following these steps, you're creating a powerful morning ritual that supports nitric oxide production, improves circulation, and helps your arteries stay healthy. So, let's recap why this simple morning drink, lemon, honey, and ginger, can be such a powerful ally for your circulation and heart health. The magic starts with nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing and widening your arteries. Lemon provides vitamin C, which supports nitric oxide production and protects your vessels from oxidative stress. Ginger contains bioactive compounds that reduce inflammation, stimulate blood flow, and further enhance nitric oxide availability. Honey adds antioxidants, helping to protect arterial walls while smoothing blood flow. Together, these 3 ingredients create a synergistic effect that gently boosts circulation, lowers blood pressure, and improves oxygen delivery to your organs and tissues. It's not a miracle cure, and it won't replace prescribed medications for heart disease or high blood pressure, but it's a simple, natural habit that supports your arteries every single day. The key is consistency and proper preparation. Use the right dosage: half a lemon, a teaspoon of honey, and a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger in 200 milliliters of warm water, and consume it daily. Avoid excessive sugar, high heat, or skipping days, because the benefits are gradual and cumulative. When combined with a balanced diet, regular activity, and healthy lifestyle choices, this morning drink can be a gentle yet effective way to support your heart and vascular system. Think of it as a small but meaningful ritual. Each morning, as you sip this warm, tangy, slightly spicy beverage, you're giving your arteries a daily boost, supporting flexibility, improving blood flow, and nurturing long-term cardiovascular health. It's a habit that's easy to maintain, enjoyable, and rooted in science. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MediMint for more practical, evidence-based tips to support heart health naturally. Your arteries don't need hype, they need care, consistency, and smart daily choices. And this morning drink, when used correctly, is a delicious and simple way to give your circulation the support it deserves.